Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the DJI NEO and I'm going to show you a way of using it that no one else is really talking about, and I think that this is the main reason why I am going to use it all of the time. So have you ever been doing a shoot for someone and thought, wouldn't it be nice if you could employ a second person to come along with you on a shoot and actually shoot some behind the scenes footage of yourself shooting said talent? Well, that's where the NEO really comes into its own, because now you've got a almost like AI assistant robot drone that is going to be able to film those shots for you. So now I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So that's a perfect example of how you can use this drone as a secondary camera to film you filming or taking photos of someone else. So it's a brilliant behind the scenes drone. We're going to have a little play with it now and just scoot around with it and see how good it really is. And then it should then fly back now, so it does its first take and then it does another take on the way back. So now it's just going to fly straight back to us. We'll walk up to it, put our hands out.
2, 1.
Now it's quite windy, so it's going to be interesting to see how it copes.
Oh, it's still going.
Oh, it's getting windy.
Oh no.
It's still coping.
It's still going.
If it falls, you've got to get ready to catch it. Okay, is it going to come back down?
It's coming.
It's now coming back down. I can see it on the camera.
Wow.
It's done quite well because the wind is actually quite strong. So it's doing very well.
Wow.
Right, this time we're going to do circle mode. Let's give this a go. So it's going to move away from us first. And it's very windy again. It's 10 meters, it says. Now it should now do a circle. And it's starting. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't hit that lamppost. No. Hopefully it doesn't hit that tree. Going all the way around. Then it'll go back to where it started. Now it should come back to us. Okay, and that's it guys, it's as easy as that. It's super simple to use. It's almost like having an extra camera person. Okay guys, so now you're getting a view of the drone, but this time I'm actually using the microphone as well. So we're in my hometown. Just giving it a little fly just to see how it looks. I'm really impressed with how easy it is to control, even just using the phone, and it's actually coping with some pretty strong winds at the moment.
Why? Because it's...
Finally, camera. Sorry, lad. Just want to see if I can outrun it. Guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I've got loads more things I want to try with this, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and we'll be bringing you a ton more videos where we're going to be using the DJI NEO.